With barrel tools added to Cloud Connect Tool Manager, users can manage all milling tools at the library level. Access Cloud Connect Tool Manager from the Home ribbon, either by selecting the Post Configurator dropdown, Cloud Connect Tool Manager, or by selecting Create Tool. Retrieve tools from Cloud Connect Tool Manager. In the Tool module, with type set to milling, all types of barrel tools are now available in the Subtype section. As with any other tool type, the usual functionalities of selecting and editing tools are available. Users can also duplicate and delete tools or create new ones. As an example, we will create a new tool and select Milling, Tangent Barrel Mill. Here we can adjust tool parameters and add shank steps and machining data. The newly created tool can be sent to NX by clicking on this button. Now, operations can access this tool as needed.